Good morning to one and all. My name is K. Amruta. I am studying BSc BJC final year. We are all from Government Degree College, Bhadrachalam. Today I would like to say the topic about uses of smartphone and smart farming in Bhadrachalam area. Under the guidance of S. Samprasad HOD, Dr. Nagasamira lecturer in botany. Today, agriculture apps are farmers' best friends. Moreover, these apps for agriculture, farmers can get access to best farming practice, machinery, market prices, showing conditions, and more. These apps allows farmers to locate their agriculture problems and get instant solutions to them. Moreover, these apps are easy to download from the Google Play Store. Moreover, does not ask any extra rupee from farmers' pockets. Next, coming to the aims and objectives. The main aim of agriculture apps enables farmers schedule their farming activities well. When activities are well scheduled, they result in better crop production, which leads to better income for them. Besides them, even others get good quality food, free from diseases and pesticides. Weather information, government schemes, agriculture produce, market prices, etc.
Coming to the topic, results and discussion. Take random sample of some three villages. Gumpenegudam nearby Bhadrachalam, Mahadevapuram 20 kilometers from Kaliveru, Tegada. From the above villages, we interacted with farmers and give awareness in different types of agricultural apps, namely such as Plantix, AgriSetu, Agni Market, ENA, One Soil Sporting, Kisan Subeda, PM Kisan, Plantix. Use of Plantix app. Plantix supports farmers to recognize plant diseases, pesticides and nutrients deficiencies just sending by a picture. Uses of AgriSetu app. It instantly makes information available by sending daily updates on or notifications consist of modern agriculture such as weather forecast, market demands, prices, information. Uses of Agri-Market app. Agri-Market mobile app can be used to get the market price of crops in the markets within 50 kilometers from the device's location. Over to Navya.
Growmati app. Growmati helps us buyers to discover good quality produce at a better price, allowing them to trace the origin of the produce and manage books digitally. Growmati is also partnering with financial institutions to address the trade finance need in the value chain. Uses of PM Kisan app. Under the scheme, a direct payment of rupees 6,000 per year will be transferred three equal installments of rupees 2,000 each 4 months into bank accounts eligible landholding families. Many measures are beginning taken by the government to reach to all eligible beneficiaries under PM Kisan. Uses of ENAM app. Purpose of the mobile app is facilitate remote bidding by traders and access to arrivals and price related information to farmers and stakeholders on their smartphones.
Of IFFCO Kisan Agriculture App. This version comes with crop advisory service containing modern farming practice on basis of agroclimate region, climate smart agriculture practice, nutrition management, uses of precision technology and mechanization. Uses of Kisan Suvidha app. The Kisan Suvidha app provides farmers with information of the following: weather, dealers, market prices, plant production, agro advisors, contact KCC, soil health card, cold storages and godowns. Uses of Raitu Bandhu app. The Telangana government supports investment through the Raitu Bandhu plan by giving grant of 5,000 per acre for each farmers each season for the purchase of goods like seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, labor and other investments.
Coming to the random survey, Gumpenagudam, Mahadevipuram, Tegada. The male are 85, the female are 65, the total 150. Literacy of farmers, male literate 40, male illiterate 45, female literate 15, female illiterate 50, total 150. Using of smartphone by farmers, male literate 28, male illiterate 5, female literate 8, female illiterate 12, the total are 53. Before this program, using of smartphones in agriculture by farmers, male literate 1 female literate, 2 female illiterate, 0 the total are 11. Coming to the conclusion, before this program, only 20.75% of farmers are awareness of agriculture apps. After this program, 79.25% of the people in our survey has been responded well by this program. If these agriculture apps are made fully aware to the children of the farmers and their parents, then our agriculture sector in India can be taken forward. However, there is a need to provide trainings and increase the education. Then and then it can give a positive results in the agriculture development of the country. On the behalf of the GDC Bhadrachalam, we are thankful to our beloved Commissioner Sir, Sri CC team and our college principal Dr. John Militant Sir. Thank you one and all.